Hey everyone, welcome back to ClickPix Code with Escape. In this video, we will understand about type coercion in JavaScript. Well, this is the reason why sometimes JavaScript gives unexpected results. We have two different scenarios in the screen. Let's see how it works. Well, why this happens? Let's discuss about this in this video. First of all, what is type coercion? Type coercion means JavaScript automatically converts one data type into another. For example, the string 5 plus 2 converts the number 2 into a string, that is 52. Well, for the second one, we have the minus operator, which is used to subtract two numbers. In this, the string 5 is converted to number. That's why it gives the output of 3. For the first example, the number 2 is converted to string. The second example, the string is converted to the number. Let's see about string conversions in JavaScript. When a plus operator is used with a string, JavaScript converts everything to string. That is, the numbers are always converted to the string when it is used with a string in the operation. That is, the hello plus 1. It converts the number 1 to the string 1. That's why we're getting the output of hello 1. Now let's see about the number conversion. Other operators like asterisk minus converts everything to the number. In this case, the string 5 and string 10 have been converted to the desired numbers, that is 5 and 10. That's why we're getting the output of 3 and 50 by performing the desired operations, that is 5 minus 2 gives 3, 10 into 5 gives 50. Let's see about Boolean conversion. Well, in this example, the Boolean values have been converted to numbers. As we know, true is always 1, false is always 0. Based on that principle, it converts it into numbers. That's why true plus 1 gives 2 and false plus 1 gives 1. Let's see some interesting examples. Let's see how this example works. Empty string is compared with 0 with using a double equals, which is loosely coupled. That's why it just compares the falsy values and returns the true. It doesn't care about the types that have been used. As we discussed in our previous video, the difference between double equals and triple equals. If you have any doubts in the double equals and triple equals in JavaScript, go check out our difference between double equals and triple equals video in our channel. Due to this behavior, the null and undefined also returns true, because both are also falsy value. To prevent these kind of errors, we use triple equals to minimize the type coercion. See, now we are getting different output. This is because of strict comparison, that is using triple equals. In this example, the string is converted to number, that is 0. That's why we're getting the output of true for using double equals. See, by using the double equals, the empty string is converted to number 0. That's why it returns the output of true. Same goes for the null and undefined. Well, because of this type coercion behavior in JavaScript, developers prefer using triple equals instead of double equals. Let's see a quick recap. Well, the plus operator used with a string, it converts everything into a string. That's by performing string conversions. Well, other than plus, minus asterisk division converts everything into numbers. That's why it performs number conversions and performs the operations and returns the output. Even though it has Boolean values, that is, the true is converted to 1 and false is converted to 0. Well, the best practice to use and most developers prefer is triple equals instead of using double equals to avoid this type coercion behavior of JavaScript. Well, that's it about this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. And leave your thoughts in the comment section. And in the next video, we will understand about JavaScript scopes. Check out the other videos we have been posting in our channel. See you all. Until then, take care.